हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आज आपको 8th क्लास की सिविक्स चैप्टर है अंडरस्टैंडिंग सेकुलरिज्म। आज मैं इसके आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करवाऊंगी। टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चंस हैं इसके। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, लिस्ट द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ रिलीजियस प्रैक्टिस दैट यू फाइंड इन योर नेबरहुड। दिस कुड बी डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ प्रेयर, वर्शिप of different gods, sacred sites, different kinds of religious music and singing, etc. Does this indicate freedom of religious practices? इसका आंसर है, following is a list of the different types of religious practices followed in my neighborhood. Religious practice, religion. First, जागरण, सत्संग, कीर्तन, yajna, Hinduism, singing of religious songs, chanting of hymns. Second, Azan, namaz, call to the faithful for prayer, Islam. Third, Holy Mass, carols, singing Christian religious songs in honor of Christ. It does not indicate that different religious communities do enjoy the freedom of religious practice. Second question है, will the government intervene if some religious group says that their religion allows them to practice infanticide? Give reason for your answer. The government will intervene if some religious groups says that their religion allows them to practice infanticide. It is a crime to practice infanticide and the government will not allow it even if some religion endorses it. The Constitution provides right to freedom in addition to the right to freedom of religion. The infant's right to life will be violated if infanticide is practiced. Therefore, the government will not allow it. Next question है हमारा, complete the following table. Objective. Why is this important? Example of a violation of this objective. One religious community does not dominate another. Second, the state does not enforce any particular religion nor take away the religious freedom of individuals. That some members do not dominate other members of the same religious community. Objectives. Answer है, first objectives, one religious community does not dominate another. Why is this important? Because all citizens are equal irrespective of their religion. There should not be any discrimination against any community on grounds of religion. All are free to follow the religion of their choice. Example of violation. A Hindu religious procession is not allowed to pass through the road where a mosque is located. Second, next objective है, the state does not enforce any particular religion nor take away the religious freedom of individuals. Why is this important? Because as citizens of a secular state, all are free to follow the religion of their choice. All religions are equal for the state. That is why it does not promote any one religion on its own. Example of violation. Demolition of the Babri Masjid, mosque, burning of churches. Next, that some members do not objectives. that some members do not dominate other members of the same religious community. Why is this important? Every member of a religious community has equal right to follow his her religion and no one can suppress his her right to do so. All citizens should also have the freedom to interpret the religion in his her way. There cannot be one single way of interpreting it. Example of violation. The Dalit members of the Hindu religious community do not have equal access to temples. Any person speaking against a religious practice is discriminated against by the community. Now, fourth question. Look up the annual calendar of holidays of your school. How many of them pertain to different religions? What does this indicate? Holidays, religion. Lohri, Sikhism, Holi, Hinduism, Good Friday, Christianity, Mahavir Jayanti, Jainism, Buddha Jayanti, Buddhism, Dasahra, Hinduism, Diwali, Deepavali, Hinduism, Gurpurab, Sikhism, Christmas, Christianity, Muharram, Islam, Eid ul-Zuha, Islam, Guru Gobind Singh Jayanti, Sikhism, Eid ul-Fitr, Islam. It indicates that India is a land of religious and cultural diversities. Everybody is free to follow his her religion. Many festivals are celebrated by people of more than one religion, showing unity in diversity. Now, next question, fifth. Find out some examples of different views within the same religion. Answer. We often see that different views are held by members of the same community. Some examples are the Vishwanavati worshippers of Vishnu and Shivati worshippers of Shiva sects within the Hindu religion. The Hinayana and Mahayana sects in Buddhist religion, the Shia and Sunni sects of Muslim religion, the Protestant and Catholic sects of Christianity, etc. Within Hinduism, there are a number of gods and different people follow different gods. Another instance of diversity within the same religion is that the Dalit community of Hindu religion celebrates and regards Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's birthday and Guru Ravidas Jayanti as religious festivals. Now, sixth question. The Indian state both keeps away from religion as well as intervenes in religion. This idea can be quite confusing. Discuss this once again in class using examples from the chapter as well as those that you might have come up with. Answer है इसका. It is true that the Indian state both keeps away and intervenes in matter of religion. Instances of the state keeping away from matter of religion are as follows. First point, the state does not have any religion of its own. गवर्नमेंट का कोई पावर का कोई रिलीजन नहीं है स्टेट का. द स्टेट डज नॉट ऑफिशियली प्रमोट एनी रिलीजन. स्टेट गवर्नमेंट किसी भी रिलीजन को प्रमोट नहीं कर सकती है. थर्ड है इंस्टीट्यूशंस ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट लाइक इंस्टीट्यूशंस जो हैं गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेज हैं जैसे स्कूल्स हैं पुलिस स्टेशंस हैं सब हैं एक्स्ट्रा आर नॉट अलाउड टू सेलिब्रेट एनी रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल्स इन देयर प्रीमिसेस. तो वो अपने अहते में किसी भी किस्म का कोई भी किसी भी रिलीजन का दिन नहीं सेलिब्रेट कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है द स्टेट ट्रीट्स ऑल रिलीजन्स इक्वली. जो स्टेट है जो गवर्नमेंट है वो सारे रिलीजन इक्वली ट्रीट करती है। इट डज नॉट फेवर और डिस्क्रिमिनेट अगेंस्ट एनी रिलीजन, किसी भी गवर्नमेंट किसी भी के भी खिलाफ या किसी के भी फेवर में नहीं बोल सकती है। All this is done by the state to promote secularism. ठीक है, there are also some instances in which we see the state intervening in matter of religion. They are as follows. तो हम ये देखते हैं कि कुछ ऐसे भी मसले हैं जिन पर गवर्नमेंट इंटरफेयर करती है, वो हैं they are as follows. The state has banned untouchability. ठीक है, अनटचेबिलिटी को तो बैन किया, a practice of the Hindu community as it discriminates against one section of the community. Second, some seats have been reserved for the scheduled caste backward section of the Hindu community to do away with countries of injustice and pull them out of their backwardness. Third, the Indian state also gives support to religious institutions to set up their own educational institutions, undertake pilgrims, etc. This also shows that the Indian state, by interfering in religious matters, works to promote secularism and uphold the ideals of the constitution as well. It attempts to set right any wrong done in the name of freedom of religion. However, it is a complex issue and there are complications in interpreting the constitution and determining when to interfere in religious matters and when to keep away. कब इसमें दखल करें और कब इससे दूर रहें। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक इतना ही है, ये हमने कंप्लीट कर दिया। चैप्टर था हमारा अंडरस्टैंडिंग सेकुलरिज्म। तो आज हमने इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी कर दिए। तो आज के लिए इतना ही। थैंक यू।